Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to disable your website, how to not make it look all nice for others and to keep it private for yourself or to delete it or stuff like that. So first of all I will show you really tons of methods, so be sure to watch all of these with me. So first of all, please open your dashboard just like this. If you don't know how to open it, go to wordpress.com/wp-admin and it will look something like that. Click in here, log out, and it will be looking something like that. Put your username and password and it will be opened. After doing so, go ahead and go to posts, delete all the posts by doing something like that, move to trash, apply, and do the same thing for every single thing in here, for the media, for pages, for plugins, for appearance, and we've done a bunch of tutorials how to do that for every single one of these. Now, after you've done with it, the site will be deleted. Of course, you can delete the website also by deleting your account from WordPress, but this is another method. The second method which we'll be talking about it, which is going to cPanel. So cPanel, go to it. I don't have really an account in cPanel because this website of WordPress that I'm using currently is actually a local host, so it is hosted on my PC, and that's why I don't have a cPanel. But if you have a cPanel, go to your cPanel, log in, open your file manager, and then you will find your WordPress file. From there, click on delete and delete the file, save, update, and the website will be disabled. If you are using a local host just like me, what you have to do is go to your file folder. Let's check if I have something like that. And here, something like that. This is the oldest version, so I have already an oldest version. Let's click here. Let's search for it. Bitnami. Okay, like that. And here you'll find this uninstall. Click on it, and your website will be disabled as well. So yeah, guys, that's how you can actually disable your website. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.